You guys, an unboxing. I am so excited about this. This is the Carrolltown collection. What is this? Tangy's Bake Shop. So this is the cake factory, and it has the little like windmill right in the front, and it has cupcake and mints and the little bakery guy making the cakes in the front. I am so excited about this. Y'all know this is something new I just got into this year for Christmas. So let's get into it. Some instructions, and it literally comes with a adapter, just like a cord. You plug it up so it's not like ran off batteries, which is always a plus. And she is a little bit, she's around the same size of the Christmas tree house that I have already. So let's see. Put her in the chair. Grand reveal. I had to take the cardboard off of it. But it comes in a little bag, and there's like a bunch of cardboard just to make sure it's safe, because it is made out of like a clay, kind of like a pottery form. But y'all, look at her. She is a beauty. I, like, every time we went to Lowe's, I just stand over there and just admire it. Like, you guys, I'm so excited. So I'm getting ready to plug her in, and I'm excited to see what kind of songs she will give us. And this one is a moving one. So it's finally up, you guys, and these are my new little characters that I got, and it's 2 dogs walking, and one's on a sleigh. You guys, this is so cool. Like, it just brings so much peace to my eyes. I have to get myself together. I'm currently running the water now so I can hop in the shower, and I'm gonna do like a light little makeup, nothing too crazy. And right now I don't know if y'all can see, remember those like plaid black and white pants with my peak coat? It is so cold out. It was snowing this morning, so I'm not like no dress or nothing, and I'm wearing these little cute boots. And then I am also about to steam his clothes. He's gonna wear like a black polo with some black pants, and then his peak coat as well. So yeah, and we're going to Cheesecake Factory, so I'm so excited. Let me get myself together, and then yeah, we can chat when I get out. I just got out the shower, and I'm just touching up my hair, doing some curls with my flat iron, the best way to get them. But our reservations are at 7. It takes about 42 minutes to get there. We're probably about to leave as soon as I'm done getting ready. And I'm trying to let him get some sleep because he did work today. And you know, guys, well, my husband, he literally can get dressed in like 15 seconds, maybe 10. So yeah, I'm just letting him get rest. I hate when that happens. Wait, what? But yes, I will show you guys us together getting ready to head out. I'm so excited, y'all. And I know the tree's up and like all the Christmas decorations, so I'm super excited. I'm really excited to have some pasta and some cheesecake. But we be so full, we always just wait to eat our dessert. Like, when we get home, we be getting the dessert to go. Because there's no way we're sitting up there eating mac and cheese balls, mozzarella sticks, bread, pastas, wings, and then dessert. I don't know. We just don't do that. We always get it to go. I'm finally done. This is my outfit. My mom got me these like rider boots and I love them so much. It makes me feel like I ride horses. And I'm wearing these plaid pants that I've had for years and it has a bow. And then this cute little, like elegant in a way, kind of like fancy date night, but not too much. And I've got these cute little earrings on that match the accents right here. And then like compare your outfit. You can go. And this is Honey. He's got his polo shirt on and
Hey,
black
I have my
pants.
polo shirt on that my aunt got me. I have my black pants that my wife got me. Air Force Ones that my wife got me.
Okay, guys, and
No,
these
no,
are
no,
the
no,
cute
no.
little outfits. I don't have my peak coat on, but yeah, we're going to put this SD card in his new GoPro he got from DG, which is the same brand as my camera. You guys are watching, you know. So let's see what kind of footage we get, but the SD card gonna go back in this little DG thing. Or we can low-key vlog the rest of the night with that. I just don't know how the sound would be. Okay, love you guys. Date night yee. Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory. Keep the look. Keep the style. This is a distinguished gentleman. He's a distinguished. And I can walk all through this because I have my Santa boots on. Ho, ho, ho. I love that it's like right across the street, y'all.
I did not know that was an apartment, though. That's like amazing.
Right. Chico. Oh, it's so cute over here. So cute. The city. Oh, this is a nice little place. We'll have to try that place one day. Looks very elegant and demure.
Fogo de Chao. Fogo de Chao. Would you like to go? Fogo de Chao. Fogo de Chao. I forgot we got to do this.
Oh, I hate this. You guys, okay, I don't hate it. We love being in the city. We love being in the city. Dark in here, but it's an ambiance, you guys. But we made it inside safely. Handsome man. We got our menu. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna get this as my main entree. Just put words. We got a Shirley Temple iced tea and some of the fresh bread and butter. Okay, y'all, this is the mac and cheese ball and the noodle
It didn't come with the mac and cheese. I just had to move it up there. But I have chicken, tomatoes, and garlic.
We got 2 different types of bacon, American and cheddar cheese melted. Some special sauce on a charbroiled burger. On a brioche bun toasted.
I feel like we're like food travelers. Alright, let's amen, dig in. We just got done eating and I look crazy, but y'all, food was 10 out of 10. We are stuffed. We did not eat that cheesecake. We're gonna save it and eat it later.
Snow is falling softly on the old front porch. Candles in the window, hearts are shining bright. Laughter in the hallway, memories on the walls. Every step I take, I feel the love tonight. Suitcases by the doorway, hugs that never end. Stories round the table.
Neither is he.
What did you say? Location. So yes, last night Cheesecake Factory, 10 out of 10 date night, but now I'm all dressed up. My cousin, her job always does like a festive Christmas gathering at Topgolf, so I'm her +1 and I'm excited. It's always a good time. Last year I went and it was a good time, so I'm excited for today. And they all dressed up Christmas theme, and I got my little snowman earrings in and my little Mrs. Claus dress with these tights and my Santa boots that I wore last night, and the same pea coat and scarf that I love so much that keeps me so warm. I'm super excited, you guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. I might just do like music over everything. I don't know, we'll see the vibe.